Hi everybody, this is Matt Elliott with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to talk to you about the coolest little trailer that's come out in a long time. This one's from Coachmen. It's called an Expedition by Catalina. And this is a category of product that can only be described as an adventure trailer. It has so much going on. I'm going to try and fit all this into a short audio. It's called the 192RB, and this registers as a 21 footer. And one of the things that's really remarkable about this is it only weighs 3,900 pounds. So those of you with a light truck can pull, a lot of you can pull this easily with your half ton and some of the other products that are out there. Now this is a single axle trailer, and it's got a high ground clearance, large oversized tires and alloy wheels. One of the things that's really unusual about this is it has a torsion axle system. So it's like having an independent suspension, and it's really, really good for the way it rides and how well it tows behind your vehicle. The other thing I want you to know about this trailer is this is an all sheet metal trailer. The side exterior sides and the front and the back are all sheet metal, and sheet metal's awesome. It just does not weather. My dad's got a sheet metal boat that's older than I am, and it looks like brand new. So, and it's kind of different. They went with about a 12-inch lap on this. It's smooth side in a way. It's very, very attractive. You're going to want to see this rig in person. Okay, let's take a look inside, and we'll go quickly through the coach. Now, the first thing is this model, the 192RB, has a great feature. It's got a Murphy bed in the front. So because the trailer's small, we want to have a lot of different ways to use our space. I only need a bed at bedtime. So I can put this queen walk around bed up out of the way, and then underneath it there's a sofa for seating. Of course there's storage under there as well, so there's a lot of storage. Beautiful light ash colored cabinets in here. It really is nice because it gives off a lot of light. And compared to most small trailers, it's got some nice big windows. It's got a full-size dinette with a large window, pleated shades. We have a really nice 32-inch TV mounted on the wall with a full home theater system. It is air conditioned. It has a fridge and freezer. It has a microwave. It's also got a glass top stove with a glass fronted oven. A lot of these little trailers don't even have an oven, and you can't bake anything. So it's nice to have an oven. That's an unusual feature in this trailer. Now, the other thing is that as we look around the trailer in the bathroom, it's got a really adequate bathroom for a small rig. It's a low step-in height shower, so you don't have to get up like it over a bathtub. It's got a skylight, it's got a wardrobe space, and the shower is equipped with little shelves, so you can put your shampoos and your soaps in there. It's really a crafty little rig. So, and it's, you know, it's not huge in here. It's certainly designed to be a small, compact trailer that does a lot of functions. So this is a really great feature. As I go outside, I'm stepping on the new solid steps. These are a new feature that's come out just in the last year or so from Lippert. And what's great is when you step on it, your weight is going onto the ground, so the trailer doesn't jiggle and wobble and bounce up and down when you walk in and out of it. So that's dynamite. As we see outside, I was talking earlier about the sheet metal exterior, but starting at the front, it's just laden with all kinds of cool stuff. This has a power tongue jack, and it has a special bike rack. It's removable, but it's called a jacket system, and you can hang two bikes right up over your propane tanks on this. Very, very useful. Batteries, of course, go up here too. And then we come around to a cabinet, and we see this is really impressive. It's a 1,000-watt inverter. Now I can run appliances that are 110, like my television set, from the battery supply, so I don't have to be plugged into electricity to do some of my 110 things that I want to do. Now the other thing is this has a battery disconnect system, and it's got a solar controller. This is entirely pre-wired for solar, and it's part of a special package of features that they are offering on this unit. We have a power awning, and it's got a special attachment to hook up a portable spotlight to it. Of course, we do have outside speakers, and I mentioned earlier about the oversized tires and the extra ground clearance. We've also got a ladder on the back. Now, most little trailers do not have a ladder. They don't want you anywhere near the roof of their trailers. It's not for walking up there. But this one has a ladder, and it's a strong enough roof to walk on. But also, this has a special feature. This has a kayak rack, and it comes with the J cradle. So those of you who have been looking for the perfect combination of a trailer that you can stay in and also take your kayaks with you, This is it. This is a fantastic product. It's also got a load rack that folds down right next to the ladder here, so we could fold that down and put up to 200 pounds of cargo on that. That's a place where you might put tubbies full of gear, or your generator, or your other, a motorbike, whatever kind of goofy thing you want to take on here, you can do it. We also have solar connectors on the roof, and we have a set here on the back, so that solar controller is there in case you decide to add the solar equipment. Okay, now we come around the other side. We see an outside shower here. That's really, really nice. And in case you need to hose off, and a little bit of storage on the outside over here too. Here's a rig that's light enough to tow, fully featured for every kind of outdoorsman. Kayak racks, bike racks, load platforms, solar controllers, ground clearance, torsion axles. I can go on and on and on. Very excited about this product. So if you're interested and you want to know more about it or see it in person, just give me a call. I'm happy to answer your questions. My name's Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.